Mass here from massiveAV, massiveAV.ca. Video number 4. Reason for video number 4 is security cameras. I am now a dealer for Uniview. Uniview. Yes, I am a dealer for them. The reason for the video is to make a video number 4 and also to let everybody know that I am now a Uniview dealer. I've been installing the bigger guys. Well, not bigger, because Uniview is basically almost as big as these guys that I'm mentioning. But the reason why I became a dealer for Uniview and now only using Uniview is because the other bigger guy, they've been having issues with people or malicious IP addresses trying to break into their NVRs. That ain't good. I care too much about my business. I care too much about my customers, and I'm pretty much done selling their products. And it's a lot of products because they also off-brand other names. I'm not going to mention who the name is because that's a battle I'm not going to win in court. I'm trying to actually avoid lawsuits, so I ain't doing it. This week alone, my NVR, there was an attempt on a break-in on my NVR that I have at home 4 times. If I wasn't paranoid, I would show you my Wi-Fi app and I would show you the logs that were inputted on my app to tell me that the NVR, there has been 4 attempts on the NVR this week alone. It's an issue that this particular manufacturer has been having for a while, and it seems like they're still having it. So I'm done. It's happening to me. Like I said, it's happening to me at my home. And yeah, it's bothering me, so I'm done. So as of now, it's only strictly Uniview. They got too many products, so I can't put everything on my website, but there's a link on my website which links you to XLRsecurity.com, which is the Canadian distributor. I'm the dealer. XLR Security is the distributor. They have all the lines there. So what you can do is you can float over to XLRsecurity.com, look at all the products, get model numbers, and then you can contact me, email me, call me, whatever you want, and I can give you a price and I can ship them to you. So that's it. This video number 4 is for security cameras. Yes, massiveAV.ca does security cameras. We always have. We're selling, we're installing, we do all that good stuff. So keep us in mind the next time you're looking for cameras. Don't forget to go to my website and look at the recommended products, like the feature products, best buy, best value, whatever it is. Keep an eye on those change too. But you should really go and take a look at the featured products because they're actually pretty good. It's stuff that I've used. And like I said, it's my featured products or stuff that I personally have used or we're currently using. Anyway, please subscribe and like the video. If you don't subscribe, you're not going to know when new videos show up. That's it. So massiveAV.ca, over and out. Actually, my channel is Mass. What am I saying? I got to be promoting Mass. Channel Mass. Anyways, talk to you soon, guys. Yep.